Excavation hazards refer to the potential dangers and risks associated with excavation activities. Some common excavation hazards include: excavation work involves digging, trenching, or otherwise removing earth or soil, and it can introduce various hazards that may pose a threat to workers' safety and health. Cave-ins. One of the most significant hazards in excavation is the risk of cave-ins or trench collapses. Excavations that are not properly supported, shored, or sloped can quickly collapse, trapping and burying workers under tons of soil and debris. Falling objects. During excavation, there is a risk of falling objects such as tools, equipment, or materials from the edges of the trench or from vehicles and machinery operating nearby. Falling objects can cause severe injuries to workers in the trench. Engulfment. Excavations may contain water, loose soil, or other materials that can lead to engulfment, where a worker is completely surrounded and trapped by a substance. Engulfment can result in suffocation or drowning. Hazardous atmospheres. Excavations may encounter hazardous atmospheres, such as toxic gases, fumes, or low oxygen levels. These conditions can be present in confined spaces within the excavation, and they pose a risk of asphyxiation, respiratory problems, or other health issues. Underground utilities. Underground utilities, such as gas lines, electrical cables, or water pipes, may be present within or near the excavation site. Accidental contact with these utilities can lead to explosions, electrocution, flooding, or other serious incidents. Equipment hazards. The use of heavy machinery and equipment, such as excavators, loaders, or backhoes, introduces risks such as struck by or caught between incidents. Workers can be struck by moving equipment or caught in between equipment and trench walls, leading to severe injuries. Inadequate access and egress. Insufficient or blocked access and egress points can hinder the safe entry and exit of workers from the excavation, making evacuation or rescue challenging in case of an emergency. Poor visibility and traffic hazards. Excavations near roadways or pedestrian areas can pose visibility risks for both workers and passing vehicles, increasing the likelihood of accidents or collisions. Weather conditions. Adverse weather conditions, such as heavy rain, snow, or strong winds, can impact the stability of the excavation and increase the risk of collapses or other hazards. To mitigate these hazards, it is crucial to implement proper safety procedures, conduct thorough risk assessments, provide necessary training and supervision, and ensure compliance with relevant regulations and standards. Regular inspections, communication, and the use of appropriate personal protective equipment, PPE, are also essential to prevent excavation-related accidents and injuries.